This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents. We're looking at problem 16. An item regularly priced at $60 is on sale for 20% off. There is an 8.5% sales tax. Letter A asks us to find what is the amount of the discount, how much are you saving? So the discount, we're told, is 20% off of the $60. That's 20% of the $60 subtracted from the 60. So the discount is really the part, and we can use the part formula from our percent formula sheet, and that will find 20% of $60. We multiply 20% times 60, and we find the discount is $12. So that's $12 off, $12 savings. Letter B asks us, what is the sale price? So to find the sale price, we're going to subtract the discount from the regular price. The regular price was $60. The discount was $12. And we subtract the 12 from 60. We have $48. That is the sale price. And then on letter C, we are asked, what is the amount of sales tax? We're told that there is an 8.5% sales tax. And so the sales tax is 8.5% of the cost of the item. Now the cost is the sale price, $48. So we're looking for 8.5% of that 48. The sales tax is really the same as finding the part. In our percent formulas, it's 8.5% of the price that we have to pay for the item, which is $48. And when we multiply those, we get $4.08 for the sales tax. And then the last part of the problem, letter D, what will be the total cost of the item on sale? So we have the sale price, which was $48, and then we have to add on the sales tax, which is the $4.08, and we end up with a total cost of $52.08.